What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing the live trading session, live analysis and everything live, as you see, like every single day during the trading week. As like yesterday you have seen, most of the pairs did exactly according to the analysis. Now if you want to be an independent trader, if you want to be a profitable trader, then this is the best ever channel you will find in whole entire industry. Make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button to stay with the channel. This is the free education but priceless. Sometimes something free you will find priceless, so make sure you take full advantage of it by staying till the end to see how I analyze the chart, and you have opportunity to directly interact with me using the chat section. There is you can see everyone is writing their questions. If you want me to request your favorite pair to analyze, you can write that as I go through all the pairs in this live trading session. So today, just continuation of yesterday's live analysis, starting with gold as NFP this week. Most of the pairs are very hot, and let's get some hot sauce in it. Now gold, as you can see, yesterday you saw that I have posted the analysis and also did the analysis. So if you are in yesterday's live session, then you can track it. If you are not, I would suggest you to watch yesterday's gold analysis and then come back here so that you know what's happening, so you understand that how the market is moving and how I am doing the analysis. So let's begin with gold now. As you see that gold has broken to the downside. Now let me quickly show you the daily chart on gold. Now you see that after this this is the last day of trading week. This long pin bar on the daily time frame has formed, and you have seen in my weekly forex forecast, this is what exactly I told in my weekly forex forecast, that gold is likely to break to the upside little bit and then will come back down, and gold have done exactly. This is not what I am saying. You can watch last week's forex forecast and then come back and see that exactly it is happened. Smash the like button now if you made money, or if you're running trade like we are trading with our VIP students. Now yesterday when this bearish engulfer is formed, now I'm just giving you clues so that you can track and you can understand how the market moves. Always keep in mind, when you are trading, value the trend. It's the most important part. Trend is your friend until you are trading. Okay, always keep in mind, trend is your friend all the time. Once you value the trend, you will never be a losing trader. Always keep in mind that trend is very, very important when you are trading. Now you see that gold has created back to back quite a few long wick candle. This is the 4-hour time frame, and there is quite a few manipulation and false breakout, and you saw that the price was moving along this dynamic resistance. And from that resistance, you can see that this bearish engulfer is formed. When this bearish engulfer formed, cross this 20 period moving average, cross that resistance, I know that gold is likely to drop, and I didn't delay. I posted the analysis so that who are following me in the YouTube in TradingView for free channel can get the benefit from this analysis. And at the same time, what I did, I sent this trade to our VIP students. This is the trade that I have sent out to our VIP students, gold in our VIP channel. Exactly, you can see his entries, stop loss and take profit. So our take profit is 1793, which is almost hitting the target. So what we see that now, let me tell you why now gold is, what is the next point? You might say that, okay, I missed the trade, Where is the next point? Now you can see what happened. Gold has created a double top formation. You see there is a double top in this resistance. Now every time I teach you how do you trade a double top. You can trade a double top if you see the double top formation is in most cases you can see that the price will go up, test this double top, this previous support as resistance, and then will continue down. So because gold has created this double top formation on the intraday or 4-hour time frame, at some point we might see that gold is testing this previous support as a resistance with this long green candle. Now this is where we can enter a trade if the price goes there on the lower time frame, tested this one, created a price action confirmation for shorting, and then can be traded gold to the downside. So this one is with gold is going down, and I think that it will go down further because it has created a double top, and at least to this point where is our profit target, and then we'll see how the price is moving. So if you are with this channel, definitely you'll find update very soon, and that's what I'm doing every single day, watching the chart, posting the analysis. So make sure you press that bell notification, and also you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any of these kind of things that I posting every single day. So let's begin with other pairs. Now what we can do for next. So let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. I see many of you joined. Really good to see all of you are here. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Kakulan, hi. Abdullah Ali, hi coach, good evening. Abdullah, I joined your VIP channel and I made money from your signal, also from your analysis and Euro USD. Thank you for your support. No problem, Abdullah Ali. Thank you. This is what our VIP students says. This the real value in this channel that I'm putting, because I do it from my heart. There was a time when I had to go always against the current. I had to lose money in trading. I had to fight with everyone to keep going in the direction of trading where everyone is opposing me. So I know I know how it feels like to be losing in trading. So that's why I created this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and this is going to be one of the best academy in the world. It's already there. Every day everyone is searching. I saw Google Analytics, everyone is searching for Forex Wizard. Thank you for searching. Thank you for pushing this channel to the upside, and I really put the real value in this channel. You have seen from my analysis every day. Go back to my analysis and track them. Most of them is coming correct because I spend days, months of time in front of the chart to see how the market is working, just to make a living from trading. So it's everything written in my brain, how the market moves. So if you are with this channel, if you want to learn my strategies, if you want to trade with me and also learn my strategies, you can go to the description area. There is a link in the description area. You can visit the website for Forex Trading Wizard Academy, or there is a link at the top of this comment. You can check it out. That's might give you a really life-changing opportunity. Now let me see. Avinash, hello sir, good evening. Avinash, Faik Ali sir, Gbpusd please. Yeah, we'll look at it. Jonathan, Chris, FX Wizard, please analyze Eurojpy or Gbpusd. Chiditu, hi FX Wizard, thank you Chiditu. Can you look at Eurocat? Yes Chiditu. Alexandra, good afternoon. Aaron, please, any silver? Yeah, gold and silver normally does in the same way. So Diana says, hi, I watched 3 other popular technical analysis on YouTube and they all said gold was going up. You went the only one that anticipated down move, and you were correct. You are amazing. Thank you, Diana. Thank you for your appreciation. To be honest, you'll see that the most analysis I do is I don't watch anything. I just use my mind, use my knowledge, long experience, and my intuition, and my that is coming from the heart. But at the same time, there is a big warning. The thing in trading is that if you put too much trust on me, that could be a danger for you. I'm warning you again. If you put too much trust on me, that could be danger for you, because trading is not easy, not because we don't know the analysis. Everyone knows analysis. Everyone knows where is the pin bar, how to trade it, where is the trend. The reason we lose money in most cases is because there is something else here. Okay, there you need to control your emotions. So if you put too much trust on me, then the time I'm wrong, you could be blowing your account, or even I'm right, but if you put too much trust on me, you could be saying that, okay, Forex Wizard told that this is going down, let's take a big risk. Even because you see that the gold trade that we have taken, there was a drawdown first. You see, we entered the trade here, almost 50% drawdown, and then the price came to the profit. So if you take a big risk on a single trade, then in this drawdown, before it is winning trade, but because the trade was going in the opposite direction, you might blow your account if you take a big risk. So be aware of this fact that Forex Wizard is good mentor. Don't risk on it, but learn from it. That is the main goal of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you, Diana. Okay, thank you. So awesome. Chadrick, good day, Wizard. Please check your cat. We'll look at it. Bisa Gold, Rizban, good day, coach. We already discussing about gold. Hi sir, how are you? I'm good. Pure FX. Troy, winner, thank you. God will bless you. Wow, Forex Wizard is the winner. Yep, thank you. How long you think gold is going down for? I think gold will go down for certain period of time. Gold trade you have yesterday was how can you Kishu Pereira, how can it be? I don't know what he said, Kishu Pereira. I have no idea what he said. So Moise, hi, USDCH even for a time frame after finishing double bottom. Okay, so let's see. Hi man, thank you for your explanation, especially about the gold and Euro USD. Thank you, Rizban. Why Eurojpy made this? Okay, look at it. We'll look at it, all of them. Saifullah, I coach, I'm taking your signals for free and made so very good, thank you. So let's look at okay, someone says I joined the session. Very good, awesome. Anthony, hi Wizard, could you please have a look at GBP USD? Cheers. Okay, so Pawin says hello Wizard, you are super amazing. Pawin is our VIP student. He is awesome. Thank you. Everyone is awesome in this channel. I really appreciate all of you to be such an amazing. So let's begin now with some other pairs that giving us trading opportunity. As you see that USD pairs are really getting very, very hot, and we will be looking some of the USD pairs now. As you can see, NFP coming and USD is getting really, really amazing. Now let's look at Aussie dollar. Now there is another winning trade that we have sent today. Now I'm not telling you how much trade we are winning. The reason coming is because I am coming to this chart for analysis, and I found the trade that just today, this trade 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, we have secured that trade. So the reason I'm showing is what is working for us, what is a winner. That is where you can learn that how this trade is winning. So this one is the trade that today after the news release, just in 2 hours, you can see the entry, stop loss and take profit for Aussie dollar. This is the trade that I have sent to our VIP members, and we found 2 times profit just today. The trade signal is here. The everything is here. Now let me analyze Aussie dollar. First, let me tell you why I have taken this trade, so that next time you can take the 2, you can make money like our VIP students, and I am making money from the market in the live analysis and live trading. Now look at this one here. Let me tell you when I have taken this trade and why I have taken this trade, so that you know exactly how you can take the trade and you can do the same. So first of all, look at this one here, Aussie dollar. This is the Aussie dollar. You can see that after this candle, I have taken this trade. Why? Because first of all, Aussie dollar over the long term, it's a downtrend. As I told you at the beginning of the session, trend is your friend as long as you are trading. So for the rest of your life, make a best friendship with the trend. That is very important. Never trade against the trend. So Aussie dollar, you can see over the long term, it's in downtrend. Now in this downtrend, what I have seen that there is a bearish engulfer formed in this resistance. Now if you look at the daily time frame, what you saw that you see, this is the daily time frame, and this bearish engulfer just crossed the previous day's high. You see, this is the previous day's high, okay, previous day's high, and then after crossing that, we saw that there is a bearish engulfer formed in this 4-hour or intraday time frame. Now if you look at the bigger picture monthly, this is a very strongly bearish market. You can see back to back 2 bearish engulfer followed by this month. As soon as the market opened, we saw that there is a strong breakdown. Weekly as well, there is a strong bearish engulfer followed by this retracement. Now the price is coming down. Now back to back monthly, weekly bearish. Going to the daily, you saw this is the last day of trading week close, followed by this green retracement. Now today, as soon as the market opened, we saw that the price has created from this top this bearish engulfer on the 4-hour time frame. So when this candle open close, I have sent these signals to our VIP students, and this is according to the rules of our strategies that I am teaching in our VIP students in our website. If you join the lifetime access, you can access those strategies. Now at this point, what is likely to happen? You can see that Aussie dollar already broke down. Okay, now this is the trend line that you can see that this is the intraday or 4-hour trend line. And this trend line, you see every time there is a fake move on this trend line, you see there is one here. If you see all of them in Aussie dollar, what you see that there is a fake move and then drop, and the price when there the same thing happened, there is a fake move, one fake move, drop down, fake move, drop down, and again there is a fake move. Now we can expect another drop down, probably creating a new lower low. So what is the entry point next? For this move, I will be waiting for a middleman. Now if you don't know what is a middleman, I have given found this candlestick. You can watch that one secret candle that I posted maybe 2 days earlier. It's a viral video. You can watch from my channel. Go to my channel, go to the playlist to secret forex trading strategies in this YouTube channel. So I'm waiting for a middleman to be formed. Once this middleman will be forming, I'll be going short again on Aussie dollar. So let's see what you guys and girls are up to. Let me look at what you guys are thinking about this thing. So let me look at the chat area. So I see that TKUK High Wizard, I have taken 1 year gap from MBA admission to learn Forex. Is done correct? Your advice will help me. TKUK, it's to be honest, it's completely your personal circumstances. In that regard, I think you should not rely on in anyone's advice. You should be thinking and considering everything, all aspect of your life. Completely, it's up to you. Let's like the video. 93 view with only 30 likes. Thank you, Shady, for your call, for your shout out. Smash the like button, help the stream by liking it, and also don't forget to subscribe. Just pressing one subscribe could find a lot of value, so why not give a big thumbs up. I'm just giving a 3-second break for the thumbs up. Did it? Thank you. And 2-second break for subscription. Press that red button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So now let's look at George says, hi, good evening Yukash. Hello Babak. Hello Nizam. Thank you for profitable explanation. Thank you Babak. Faik Ali, Gbpusd. Okay, so Madhu joined newly. She just joined yesterday on VIP channel. She made some profit from our VIP signal today. Thank you Madhu. That is the goal of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, Forex Trading VIP channel. Let's look at now next, jump on to some other pairs. Mary said, dancer, smash like button. Thank you Mary, you are awesome. Helen, can you please Gbpusd and Gbpusd? So we already look at Aussie dollar. Let's look at British pound US dollar, what it is doing now. British pound US dollar, like Aussie dollar, euro dollar, strongly bearish. Okay, all US dollar getting stronger again. Now if you look at, this is the 4-hour time frame, there is a nice head and shoulder has been created. This is a nice head and shoulder, the same way that Aussie dollar did. British pound US dollar is doing the same, and this is what exactly I mentioned in my weekly Forex forecast. If you have seen, you see that this is the last day of trading week. There is a bearish candle. Now after this bearish candle yesterday, we have seen a doji. It's a very weak response from the buyer, and then we have seen that today the price breaking down. Now this is a long-term bearish market, as you can see, and this is likely to drop further because weekly candlestick is bearish. You see, this is a bearish engulfer. Now this week, as soon as the market opened, we saw significant retracement, exactly tested this support as resistance and then rejection. Okay, so if we draw a line here, a resistance, what we see that British pound US dollar on this 4-hour time frame, the price exactly went there, tested this with this green candle and created this bearish engulfer, followed by this retracement, another drop. Now next, where you can or what we can enter a trade on Gbpusd. As you know that tomorrow and after tomorrow there is NFP. So what I think that Gbpusd or all other USD pairs could retrace little bit, and that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, I will be wait for a slow retracement. Probably will create double doji or any kind of narrow retracement, and I don't think that Gbpusd will go up again to test this neckline. If it goes, that's better. This previous support as resistance, selling from here. But if it doesn't go, if it creates a very slow retracement, then also I will be selling. So no buying, only selling on a retracement. So wait for slow retracement and then selling Gbpusd. Euro dollar, Gbpusd, AUD, USD. Now euro dollar, same thing. You can see that euro dollar has broken the level of support here. As you can see, this is monthly chart. You can see monthly there, this bearish candle last month, strongly bearish candle, followed by weekly there is a gap opening after this. Now weekly bearish engulfer is very strong. That's a sign of bigger move on euro dollar, guys and girls. You see that the past week, this is the weekly candle that has formed. that weekly candle has a fake out to the upside. How do you know fake out? Look at the trend. You see that's the detail you need to look at. Let me zoom in. You see that there is a trend here. With this connect the dots, then what you see, if you connect the dot, you see the past weekly candle just crossed that one completely. That's a breakout of this trend line, grab the liquidity, and then close back as a very strong bearish engulfer. That means that there is a long wick at the bottom and also past this green candle completely. So that is a sign of bigger move. So bigger move means couple of weeks we could see that euro dollar it just continuing to the downside. So that is a huge move. And now what we can expect now, if you look at the daily, also we saw that there is a narrow doji, and then now we can expect euro dollar to drop, and that is what it is doing. Now if you look at the intraday, you see that there is a breakdown, very strong breakdown. Now we see a doji has been forming. You see this is the intraday or 4-hour candle. Now what I'm saying that guys, if after the closing of this candle, what I think that it might close as a narrow doji, that could be another candle for selling. Smash the like button now if you haven't done yet. So that is what I'm expecting now, euro dollar to drop, to create this narrow doji. Now as soon as euro dollar will create this narrow doji, then what we see that at the same time you need to keep in mind the previous 4-hour candle. This one, you see the previous 4-hour candle has a element of false breakout. This is also a very strong bearish candle. You see there is a false breakout to the upside, okay, passing all these candles high, created this false breakout to the upside, and then after this bearish candle we see that this candle is creating a narrow doji. Now after this one we probably could see a drop from here, and because as I told you, because it's a weekly bearish engulfer past week, this could be a very long move to the downside. Because it's a higher time frame, on the weekly we see bearish engulfer. So on the lower time frame, what we should do, wait for retracement, sell, wait for retracement, sell, wait for retracement, sell, like this, okay? And that's what I will be doing with our VIP students. If you wanna trade this with me, as I told you, you can visit the link in the description, or you can find a link in the pin chat area where you can see this this website address. Hi sir, NZD you will look at it. How is it EuroCAD? You will look at it. Mosmel NZD CAD, please. You will look at it. How is it? I have successfully joined the VIP premium. Look forward to making. Yeah, thank you. Wiz, awesome. Good to see you here. Let's go. Awesome. Muhammad, hello. Do you trade US 30? If yes, what do you think sell idea? So Muhammad Ahmed, let's look at US 30 indices. Today I have posted analysis. US 30 currently showing bearish price action. You can see that if you look at the, let me give you a quickly multi-time frame analysis. US 30 currently showing the bearish price action, and you can see that US 30 based on monthly, this is the monthly chart, there was a bearish engulfer, and we saw that significant retracement to the upside from this bearish engulfer. Now what we can expect is to drop. Now you see that US 30 it was in for a long-term uptrend, and then created this head and shoulder, and then broke down, followed by this doji. And as soon as this doji formed, we saw that there is another drop. Now at this point, what we see that the buyers are not finding enough fuel to go up, so we could see further drop. Weekly, past week, this is the doji after this retracement to the upside. Now what we can expect is to come down. Now this is the daily chart on US30. You can see that it's showing a nice bearish price action on the daily. Tested this 20 period moving average on the daily from this important area of value, and we see that the price now coming down. 4 hour, this is what I analyzed today. You can see that this move is basically a liquidity grab from this resistance, created this fake move to the upside, tested this previous support. This is what I also every time in analysis, this is exactly what I told. This previous support here, tested as a resistance, and then we see that US30 now dropping, and it might go up at some point to this zone, to this level, creating a head and shoulder, and then finally we will make it moves to the downside. So US30 from along this zone, okay, from let's say from this 20 period moving average or from this zone, could be sold after a retracement, and that's a shorting opportunity on US30. So this is what with US30. Avinash says congratulations Madhu, thank you. Avinash. Rizban says, can you analyze Eurojpy please? Want to understand why it made this move down while the main trend is bullish. So Sajida, I buying versus loss, I don't know what you said. Euro USD, you look at it, your advice for a small account of like 50 USD. Jackson asked an important question. Your advice for small account like 50 USD. Just Jackson, you know that in this session we not only talk about trading, we talk about many important stuff. This is also a very important stuff, that your advice for a small account. See, if you have a small account, could be a $50, could be a small account, or could be a $5,000 small account based on your personal circumstances. What I will say that if you have a smaller account, then don't blow it, okay, first thing. Secondly, use that smaller account to gain confidence. Guys, trust me, if you know trading from a very small account for a big account, see, trading, in my experience, what I have seen, that it's not about making money, it's about gaining confidence. So how do you gain confidence? When you can manage your risk, when you can handle your emotion, when you can consistently become profitable, that is confidence. Now, if you have a, let's say, $50, $100 trading account, and you take it very seriously, you say that, okay, this account is seriously, doesn't mean that you just, don't want to lose money, not like that. You say that, okay, I have a strategies, I'm using my strategies, and I will be trading based on strategies, and I will make consistently profitable trader. Then once you make money from out of, let's say, $50 account, in 2-3 months you gain, let's say, $10, $15, but consistently profitable. Then what will happen? You find confidence. You feel like, oh my God, I'm making money consistently. Why not taking a funded account? There is a link in the description area here. You can go to that funded account, or you might find investors. There is a lot of way will come out when you prove to yourself as a profitable, successful trader, and then the opportunity will come. So I will say that if you have a smaller account, don't blow it, just learn from it. That is the best thing I can tell you for a smaller account. Saifullah Khan, all those watching must push like immediately. It's our responsibility to do so. Thank you, Saifullah. I think everyone is doing awesome job. Thank you for helping this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, helping this live session. So let's look at Gbpusd, AUD, and look at it. I get you. I love you, sir. Thank you for sharing your strategy with us. Thank you. No problem, Muhammad. Thank you. So now euro versus dollar. We'll look at it. To euro CAD. Used euro strategy of Gbpusd and have been in deep profit. Thank you. Awesome, Vigor. Thank you for this. Telling that how you are getting benefited, and that really feel good. Thank you for that, Vigor. Same here too. EuroCAD, awesome. Survival comes first, then consistency. Absolutely. What you think about Elliott wave? Elliott wave, I don't use Elliott wave. You don't need that complicated things. Elliott wave, in fact, there is nothing about Elliott wave. It's just a theory. Okay, I tried. It doesn't work, in fact. Okay, so you don't have to worry about Elliott wave. Don't go to the complexity. Be simple. Learn the price action and trade the market. But yeah, if you find value in Elliott wave, yep, some people may have. You may have extra ability to do that. You are most welcome. But I didn't find much more value in Elliott wave, so I don't use it. I use pure price action, and I'll tell you why. The big boys, big hedge funds, they use pure price action. They don't use anything else, because trading defy logic. You need to go against the current to become a trader. I'll tell you what you need next. So let's look at gold again. You see that this is the gold trade that we are running. As I told you, I'm just coming back to that. It's almost hitting our profit target. I have already mentioned it, and I have shown you that. Now the reason I came back again is looks like that it is continue to drop, and if you look at the daily time frame, it look like it might create a new lower low. Let's see what happened. Tomorrow there will be NFP, and from that place we could see that gold might turn around, but for now it's bearish. Now this is the trade that we have sent out our VIP students on gold. After this bearish engulfer, our stop loss was 1814.55. so this is here, an entry here, take profit here, which is 1793. Hopefully that will get into that very soon. Now gold has created a double top on the 4 hour, as you can see, and then broke down, and I think that after a retracement to the previous support as a resistance, and we can have another opportunity to sell gold. That's what I think. And today we have quite a few successful trade. And let's go to dollar yen, guys. This is the trade, dollar yen trade. You can see 1 to 3.4 risk to reward ratio. We have just closed that trade today. Smash the like button now. Now let me tell you why I have taken this trade with our VIP students. That will be great learning for you, because it's a big trade. How this trade work out, that will give you a big edge over the market if you learn this strategy, learn how this market worked on dollar yen. Now dollar yen trade, during the weekend, Friday, I have sent out to our VIP students this trade. Okay, so we bought at 135.09 here. Okay, and our stop loss was at 134.73 here, and later I have set the profit target, because when I opened the trade, it was an open trade, and later I have sent out to our VIP students for the profit target here that I'll show you. Now let me tell you why I have opened this trade. If you go to the daily, you see dollar yen over the long term is a very strongly bullish market. You saw that this is the last day of trading week candle that closed on dollar yen. Okay, now when this candle closed, it has created this doji, okay, on the weekend. Now look at this doji. Let me replay the chart when I I decided to take the trade. Okay, now with that doji, you see, with this doji, now what you saw, that look at the price section here. You see there is a channel on the dollar yen. Okay, this nice channel, upward channel. Okay, now with that channel, if you look at the all this long wick candle, look at here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. You see, so when you see a channel, always keep in mind, when you see an upward channel and you see that on the channel, whenever the price was coming to the bottom of the channel, creating a higher low, that is where you can, you know, buy, keeping the stop loss below the channel, because it is highly likely that the price will continue to the channel. And that is what happened. The price first came down and then started to rise up and hit our almost 3.4 times profit target. Now the first we closed 30% and then we took the full profit on this one. Now at this point, let me tell you what is likely to happen. As you can see, the dollar yen, you can see on the weekly, this is what exactly I posted in my weekly forex forecast. You saw that there is a double doji on the weekly time frame, double doji. Now in that double doji, you can see that there is a higher low and higher high has been created on dollar yen. Now if you look at you see that double doji, and when you see like a big uptrend with a double doji, keep in mind, write down, when you see a big uptrend and then double doji, okay, that is a high probability that the price will rise from here. And because it's a weekly time frame, the price came down to the retracement and then started to move up. Exactly, this is what I pinpoint in my weekly forex forecast. You can review the weekly forex forecast. What did I say? That dollar yen is likely to come around to this zone and then to rise, and the price did exactly as it is. Smash the like button. This is Forex Wizard. If you're new to the channel today, from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now as you can see that dollar yen has created this higher low, and now you see the price has created a kind of reversal pattern here. And what I think, that because there is NFP, for the rest of the time we could see sideways movement, but finally it should rise up as dollar is very stronger and it is likely to continue to go up. Okay, so let's look at now what you guys and girls are up to, so that I know what you are asking for. So Moizuddin, please, USD CHF, you'll look at it. Brad, can you explain your method right now? I just entered this channel for the first time. Brad Roku, can you explain your method right now? Okay, so what do you mean by method? My method is like, I use my strategies to find a trade. As you can see, I do multi-time frame analysis and use the strategies, but the strategies that I really use to trade the market, I cannot disclose it in this for completely free, but I teach them, my VIP students who learn this with a very reasonable price. You can click the link on the pin chat. You see there is a chat that has been pinned, VIP signal, and strategies at the top of this chat, or link in the description. You can visit the website. Awesome Wizard, thank you for the analysis. Euro USD, thank you. I get you. Your strategies showing USD CHF is buy. What do you think, sir? Yeah, we'll look at it. USD CHF. Techie said a very good thing. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon, sir. Euro AUD analysis. Yeah, look at it. Euro CAD, Euro AUD. I can't find Telegram link. Okay, so Philomena, a Telegram link in the description, and also website address in the description. or at the top of this chat, you can see that. Let me copy that. You can find below this video or at the top of this chat. Ibrahim, EuroCAD sir, Avinash, NZD-CAD, please analysis or look at it. Brad. Okay, so let's look Euro pairs. Okay, EuroCAD, Euro AUD, and NZD-CAD. EuroCAD, you see that the price broke this level of support that I was telling for a long time, that EuroCAD could break this level of support. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see that EuroCAD fully broke this level of support. You see that previous support here, okay, long-term support here, support here, support here, and I have that I also said in my weekly forex forecast that EuroCAD could break this level of support, and did it. Now at this point, what to do? That's the question, right? Now you can see that EuroCAD over the long term is bearish. Now when a support is broken, what to do? Wait for the price. You see the price is going up now. Now wait for the price to go up here, okay, and then create a retest. So how do you do? Wait for retest. Let's say this one is like here, okay, it's not enough retest. You need to see the price going here and maybe creating a fake out to the upside again and creating a bearish candle, let's say pin bar or a bearish engulfer, okay, rejecting from the top. That is where this breakout is valid. Otherwise it could be a fake out and then going up, which is less likely to happen because CAD is very strong and Euro is comparatively weaker. So what we will be expecting is that EuroCAD finally to go up to this level. You see this is the support here, okay, support here, support here, all this support here, to test this one as a resistance and then to reject it to the downside, creating probably a pin bar or a bearish engulfer, okay, and then from this zone to drop down. So that is EuroCAD, okay, EuroCAD waiting for retest of this previous support as resistance. That's simple, okay. So Euro AUD, you see that already there is a bearish candle has formed. Now Euro AUD, if you look at the bigger picture monthly, the price strongly tested this previous support here. Over the long term, it's a bearish market. You can see that this is a strong bearish move followed by this retracement, but I think that we might see some sideways movement, but it could be now a little bit bearish, okay, sideways or bearish. Let me show you clearly. See, this is the monthly. The past month has created this candle. This month, as soon as the market opened, we saw the break of this monthly high, and then the price again started to move this way. So what you could see from here, a little drop or sideways. Now let's look at the weekly. After the back-to-back 4 weeks rise, we saw this week the price trying to come down, and let me look at the daily now. Okay, so this is the Euro AUD. On the daily there is a bearish candle, followed by today we saw that there is a doji is being formed. So this is it's now on the daily, it's look like bearish, looks like that it is kind of creating a head and shoulder, and then we could see a breakdown. Now looking at the intraday or 4 hour, okay, we saw that the past 4 hour there is a bearish candle. This 4 hour we saw that there is a doji. So what it could do, I think after this we could see a little bit of uprise, and then finally we could see a drop. Why? Because you see the price created this pattern, and then there is a big move to the upside. It's a fake move, grab the liquidity, and then closed in this in this what I can say, deceleration of this consolidation and deceleration. So now from here I think that it will continue to drop at certain level, okay. So but to be honest, I may not be fully interested on trading euro dollar, because this kind of price action I don't like to trade. I like to trade this kind of price action. Let me show you. You see this kind of price action, clear breakout, okay, from consolidation, and now I want it to go down. Okay, so euro NZD and euro AUD same. So now the hot pair to trade is like Aussie dollar, okay, or British pound US dollar. You see British pound US dollar, British pound is getting weaker and weaker. See, there is a strong breakdown. So this kind of pairs, after breakdown, we'll wait for a slow retracement and then selling. Okay, so dollar getting very, very stronger, and I will be waiting for a nice dollar trade after retracement, like euro dollar or GBP USD, this kind of pairs. GBP CAD also showing bearish price action. Gold now after coming down, it's going up a little bit. That's good. We might see now it is testing this previous support as resistance, and we need to see a rejection. Okay, otherwise we might see even the other way movement. So let's look at some other pairs. NZD USD, the same is. So USD is very strong. You see that USD CHF also, all the USD pairs now going up. So USD CAD, Madafa said GBP JPY, will look at it. Can you share what's your percentage winning trade from the service that you sell? Yes, you can see, as I have shown you today, quite a few winning trade. Only one trade, CAD JPY, that had a stop loss 20 pip. Most of the trade this week are winning, almost all the trade. So if you go to the website, you might find the older results. These are weekly, week by week, it will be updated. But for the old results, you can go to the website. I got it, always good, take profit. Okay, so Chris says I got a trade. Okay, let me look at Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar should drop if you look at the weekly. Okay, so there is no significant support here, so it should go down, but depends on what's your risk to reward, Chris, to say where to take profit. But I would say that if you have a bigger stop loss, then hold the trade. If you have a smaller stop loss, if you gain enough profit, you can close that. That's what I can say. Trolley, so what's gold doing? So gold doing is gold going up now a little bit for retracement. I think it's another selling opportunity. So gold, what is doing is, you see that the price has created a double top here. Okay, there is a double top here, come down. Now we see a little bit of test of this previous support as a resistance, and that is what looks like that gold is doing. And I sincerely believe, you see now again coming down, and I sincerely believe that gold continue to drop at least certain level. It doesn't mean that it is guaranteed that it will go like that. Okay, but that's why I keep our profit target at 1793, because this is where there are two back-to-back candle opening and closing. At least it should come to this level, hopefully. If it doesn't come. Nothing is guaranteed in trading. Anything can happen. Now let's look at GBP JPY. Okay, you see that GBP is very weaker even against JPY. This is the monthly chart. Okay, as we see that we could see further drop on this one, as we see that after the monthly, this green doji, and I think now the way the price action is forming, we could see this monthly low is broken. Probably from this zone we might see an uprise on GBP JPY, but over the long term this is a bullish market, so I will not be a seller on GBP JPY. If you look at the weekly, past week there is a bearish candle, followed by this week there was a retracement. Now we see a drop. Now at this point, what I think that we could see a drop on GBP/JPY. Going to the daily, this is the daily candle that has crossed the previous day's high, and we see that this candle is now coming down. So looking at intraday or 4 hour, okay, let me see how it is doing. So you see that the GBP/JPY, if you look at this pattern, you see there is a long wick candle, higher low. Okay, now this price action, you can say kind of sideways movement. Okay, so that's why only if I see GBP/JPY coming down enough and then creating a bullish move, only in that case I'll be considering going long. But at this point I'll not be trading GBP/JPY. Instead I'll be focusing on such as GBP/USD. Okay, GBP/USD, you see all this support is broken now, and I will be waiting for a slow retracement and then sell. See, always keep in mind, you saw that sometime I say that, okay, I will not be trading that, I will not be trading this. You know why? The reason is, keep in mind always, is that always keep in mind, you need to align some important thing. See, always align the local trend with the global trend, and then you can have higher profitability. What do I mean by local trend with the global trend? Let's say, let me show you side by side. Let's say GBP/USD. Look at the monthly. Always do a multi-time frame. It's a nice bearish price action, right? Look at the weekly. It's a strongly bearish price action. The previous week also there is a bearish candle, bearish engulfer. Very bearish. Monthly, weekly, strongly bearish. Daily, yeah, there is a bearish candle. Now look at the 4 hour. You see on the 4 hour, what you saw that the price created a nice head and shoulder here and then broke down. So if you look monthly, bearish, weekly, bearish, daily, bearish, now 4 hour also bearish. So all time bearish. That is where you will be selling. That's kind of instrument that I like to trade. Now if you go to the GBP/JPY, what is the now difference with GBPUSD and GBP/JPY? Let me tell you. Look at the monthly. Clearly bullish. You see, starting from here, okay, it's a bullish market structure, a strong move followed by a retracement consolidation move, followed by retracement consolidation move, followed by like this. So it's a monthly bullish. Go to the weekly. Okay, now on the weekly, market structure is bullish, but the price action is bearish. Okay, first of all, you see the previous week there is a bearish engulfer. Go to the daily. Okay, daily, you see that this is the creating a series of higher low. Okay, market structure is bullish, but at the same time creating a series of lower high. Okay, now if you go to the intraday, then what we see that now the price is breaking to the downside, right? Now the all time, that means that higher time frame, that means the global trend is up, but the local time frame, let's see, if you go to the 15 minutes, hourly, even 4 hour, we see that local trend is down. So there is a conflict. You see these two guys fighting each other. There's a conflict. So I always stay away from the conflict in trading as in general, in overall in my life. So always trade with the instrument that will give you overall global and local trend in the same line. Then you can find high probability trade setup. Okay, let me look at now with the chat. Gurdeep Singh, Dilip, okay, Ibrahim, gold retracing now, sir. Yeah, gold will retrace. The price moves like that. Move, retracement, move, retracement, move, retracement, like that. Okay. Sir, how to contact you personally? Guldeep Singh, you can go to the live chat in the website. There's a live chat. You can ask for me. Sir, dollar yen, Yeah, we'll look at it. Sir, as a beginner, how many pairs should I focus on? Madafa ask, as a beginner, how many pair should I focus on? Madafa, if you are a beginner, I'll say that focus on USD pairs, okay, or any pair that you feel like easy to understand, and focus on the pairs that is trending, okay, not only USD pairs, any pairs, because all pairs works in the same way, but I'll say that focus on the pairs that is trending, very important. Okay, let's look at Euro USD is forming a hanging man. We'll look at it. JW, go to the channel live, you will actually make money today. Okay, sir, please Gbpusd, Euro USD to trade. Okay, so let's look at let's look at USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is going to the upside. You see that this is the monthly. USD CAD is very strongly bullish. Okay, as I told you in all the analysis in my weekly forex forecast. Now if you look at the monthly, let me do a full analysis on USD CAD. Now if you look at the monthly, what you see that there's a strong bullish candle here. This is the monthly bullish engulfer. Now this monthly candle has a really good significance. What the significance is that you see that the price, this candle has a long wick at the bottom, long wick at the top. Now that is what I call a middleman. Okay, so this middleman is a strongly bullish. Now after this middleman, we saw that the price you see came to this level of support, penetrated. It's a kind of false breakout to the downside, and we see that now USD CAD is rising up. So it is likely to go up a lot, because you see, first of all, this is the monthly resistance, and secondly, I think that USD CAD now is heading to test this doji. Okay, there is a doji here, heading to test this doji. If you look at the weekly, after the past 2 weeks doji, this is what exactly I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast. After this doji, we could see a rise, and the price is doing exactly accordingly. Now looking at the daily, we saw that past day there is a fake move to the downside. That's a liquidity grabbing, and after the liquidity grabbing, we see now USD CAD is rising up. Looking at the intraday or 4 hour, we saw past 4 hour has created this bullish engulfer followed by another bullish candle. Now what I will be waiting on USD CAD is for a slower retracement. Okay, slower retracement, and then going long, as soon as I will find proper trading opportunity. As you can see, tomorrow after tomorrow there is NFP, and with that NFP we might see some longing opportunity on USD CAD, as USD is getting stronger against CHF, against all the major pairs. So USD CHF also the same thing, it's a strongly bullish. Madafa ask, is trading gold hard to trade? Madafa, if not only gold, if you don't have proper strategy, if you don't trade in the right tool, anything could be hard to trade, not only gold. But if you have the right strategy, right mindset, right trading psychology, and patience, you will be able to trade anything, not only gold. Okay, so it depends on how you take trading, how you analyze the market, how you take your education. Everything will affect your trading. So now let me look at Euro GBP. Okay, we see that there is a test of this trend line. Okay, exactly as per my prediction in my weekly forex forecast. This is what I exactly told, and we see an uprise. Let's see what happened. I think that it will go up now. Okay, so we'll look at it and then we'll see how it happens. Okay, GBPUSD, you see that is strongly bearish, and we will be waiting for a slow retracement, and then we'll be selling GBPUSD. So British pound US dollar is getting weaker, British pound overall getting weaker. That's good thing. We can sell whenever the opportunity will come. AUD NZD, okay, I will not be doing anything at AUD NZD at the point at this moment. We might see a downward move on AUD NZD. Okay, it has already tested this one here. You see this head and shoulder in this 4-hour AUD NZD has created this head and shoulder, broke down, went above, created this move to the upside, tested this previous support here as resistance. Let's see now what happened. Depending on how this price action is creating, will be doing, but I will keep it as aside AUD NZD. Instead, I will be focusing on AUD USD. As you know that today we have closed it Aussie dollar trade, full profit trade, 1 to 2 risks to reward, and now we're waiting for this candle close. I will be adding maybe another position to it. If you wanna trade this instrument like I do, as you have seen today, we have closed dollar yen trade, Aussie dollar trade with dollar yen 3.5 times profit, Aussie dollar 2 times profit. If you want to learn my strategies, I would suggest you to join my lifetime access, link in the description, where you learn my strategies and also receive trade signal like that every single day. And also you can find a link on the pin chat where you can visit the website to find out more. So let's look at now, let's look at USD CNHS, USD CHF. Okay, USD, so USD is getting stronger and stronger, guys. Never at this point, I will not recommend you to sell USD. Okay, USD is getting very stronger from a very long period of time. In the meantime, I'm looking at the Euro pairs. Okay, so Euro AUD, okay, Euro AUD, Euro NZD. Looks like we could see some drop on euro. As you see that this is the Euro NZD, it has created a kind of head and shoulder and now creating this doji. Okay, but the reason I am not focusing too much on Euro NZD and Euro AUD is because weekly is still a long-term bullish. Okay, we could see a spike. Instead, I'll be, if I'm selling, I'll be focusing on the pairs such as Aussie dollar, that is a long-term bearish. Okay, so I will be focusing on this kind of pairs. So let's look at AUD NZD. So Aussie is bearish against all the pairs. Okay, so AUD CAD, probably a nice selling opportunity on AUD CAD. probably a selling opportunity. The reason is AUD CAD also bearish. Now currently it is testing this previous support here as a resistance. Okay, so after 21 minutes this candle is going to close. AUD CAD is creating a bearish price action here. Okay, so AUD CAD is bearish now, testing this previous support here. Okay, testing as resistance, and I think that it should drop to the downside. AUD CAD. Okay, so yeah guys, so Aussie dollar bearish, AUD CAD, AUD CHF, Aussie yen. Aussie yen I will not be doing because it's a long term bullish, but AUD CAD, if you look at the weekly, yeah, bearish, daily bearish, monthly bearish. Okay, so all are bearish. If you look at the 4 hour, the price now testing this green candle, probably it is creating a head and shoulder like all the pairs that is reversing, and from here we can expect a drop. Okay, so it's now, you see this bottom of this green candle, this support testing as a resistance. Okay, and then creating a move. So yeah guys, so yeah, we are almost at the end of the session. Let me know if you have any question, specific question that I know. TechWiki, it might be ending soon, so I suggest you, if you are thinking, then to take the opportunity. Sir, what is the strategy, please, about your strategy a little? Sajida, yeah, the strategy actually, like, it is difficult to explain in this video. I have I have all this strategy. I explain with quite a few long videos that is in my website. Those who are joining this lifetime access will be able to access them, because a strategy I cannot tell in 5 minutes. It needs to explain you clearly what are the rules of the strategies, what you should look for when you will be seeing the market. So it's really difficult to explain in this video. So yeah, normally VIP students are paying for it, so it's an exclusive to the VIPs. I only can disclose to the paid members who are paying for this, because if I disclose it here, then who are paying, it's exclusive to them, So we have another trade that is almost winning, is USDSJD. So quite a few winning trade, guys. You have seen that yesterday also I have posted analysis on USDSJD. You can see that. Let me explain why I have taken this USDSJD trade. Let me show you this one. So you see that after the gold sells trade, I have posted this USDSJD buy trade, and which is almost hitting the profit target. After a little bit it will hit full profit target. Smash the like button now. You see USDSJD, I have posted also analysis on YouTube and TradingView. This is the we have a strategy to trade this kind of candle, which is called the WLC strategy in my website. So according to the strategy, we have taken this trade and also send it to our VIP students. Now it is hitting as a profit target. Now if you look at that, I have posted the analysis on the YouTube. This is the monthly chart, strongly bullish, weekly bullish engulfer, daily bullish engulfer. On the 4 hour it is bullish. See, this is the real trading, guys. You will not find anywhere this kind of education, because when I started trading, I suffered a lot, I know. So that's why I created this academy, to give the real education to the real trader who really need this. It's an opportunity for you. You can access it by going to the description area. With that, said, guys and girls, I will be ending this live stream soon. Let me know if you have any question, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. How about gold now? Gold is still bearish. Looks like that it is going now up for a retracement. It's still bearish. Okay, we are holding the trade still, and until they hit the profit target 1793. But at this point I don't have an entry. If I want to add position, then I need to see a retracement to the upside, again bearish price action, then we will be selling again. Brad Roque, what is winning rate on your strategy? Winning rate is more than 80 to 90%. As you have seen, this week we only lose one trade, Gbpusd 20 pip. We have one gold trade, you can see almost winning. Usdjpy 3.5 times profit, AUD/USD 2 times profit, and there is another USD/SGD, also a good profitable trade, and quite a few trade coming up. Smash the like button now. This is Forex Wizard, as I told you. You can check out my analysis on the YouTube channel, then you will have more reliability. What is the okay? Thank you. Your TP hit on Gbpusd is now USD. Awesome, very good, Eric. Sir, can you give me a discount on your 1 year subscription? Eric, the price that in 1 year subscription you can compare with any channel anywhere, you will find the lowest price, because it's not about the price, it's about helping you. But the value you will find in this channel you will not find anywhere. Everywhere you lose money, I'm sure. What is your winning rate? As I told you, sir, from where we should sell gold? We already sold gold. At this point we need, I'm watching price action. As soon as I will find another opportunity, I will send it to the channel. From where? Adam, Gbpusd rigged. Yeah, Brad, nice. I got you. Wow, on this year been looking for strategy, and I would like to come through gold. Bless you. Thank you, Adam. Was okay, so that's the end of this live trading session, guys and girls, and live analysis. I sincerely believe that you found a clear idea of every pairs. So as I told you, I will see you tomorrow in this live session, and don't forget to check out the website. In the meantime, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Stay with the Forex Wizard, and check out the YouTube channel. There is a lot of free content there to help you in trading. Go through all of them, become a trader. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.